Welcome back to SBK LOCO. This is part 2 of two-handed salsa. If you haven't seen the first video, I have a link in the description. Go check that out. So we're going to start off 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. Now typically here we do a check. 1, 2, 3, and then we bring the lady back, right? This one we're going to do kind of a continuation. So watch that again. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. Instead of doing the typical check step, we're going to send her back. 1, 2, 3. And bringing her back 5, 6, 7. The way to turn her smoothly is not just to turn her with my hand. I want to step. 1, 2, 3. Now I'm sliding. 5, 6, 7. Whenever I'm leading the lady, I'm always leading from my chest. Bring it back. Come to me. It's not come to me. It's come to me. That way you're really smooth when you're dancing. Okay, one more time. 5, 6, 7. Bringing her back. 1, 2, 3. 5, 6, 7. Gentle. 1, 2, 3. Come back here to me. 1, 2, 3. I'm going to bring this hand up and I'm going to go into a flat hand and stop. 5, 6, 7 into a hammer lock. And 1, 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, stop. 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, block. 5, 6, hammer lock. Now I'm going to step to the outside of the line. 1, 2, 3. Sending in for an outside turn. 5, 6, 7. On 7, I want to lock here. Let's go from the hammer lock. 1, 2, 3. 5, 6 from the outside of the rail. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. Locking up. Now here I can do like this. 1, 2, 3 with some style. Or I can go here. 1, 2, 3 is okay. Now it's very important, leaders, when you're doing this hand movement, we're not rushing. We're not going to be like this and try to get everything done in 1 second. You want to make sure that everything is connected to the step. The step is going to give her space. So she's away. 1, I need to make sure I step forward. 2, 3. Now when I step my 5, this will be free to go around. 5, 6, 7. Okay, so watch that again. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. I'm just kidding. All right, last one, guys. 1, 2, 3. Bring your back. 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2. Hammer lock. Flat the hand. Early as possible. 5. Making sure we don't turn her till 6. 6, 7. I'm out of the line. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. Just kidding, you don't have to do that part. Bringing her back. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3. Come back. 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, stop. 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, lock. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. 1, 5. 1, 5, 1, and we go. Okay, musica.